Guys, I just got up. Please ignore my voice. And yeah, today is gonna be a day in my life. And the shoot versions, I'm going for a shoot today. So yeah, let's go. So I am ready. Let's go right now. So right now I'm in the rickshaw and I'll be reaching in half an hour on the set. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I have to take the jetty to reach on the set and then a rickshaw again. Yes, that's me listening to Apna Time Aayega on repeat while I reach to the set. I finally reached, but I am a little bit early today. So I am having my chai before the shoot starts. And the set is still not ready. We are just waiting to roll. This is the set that I work on for the tabletop section of the show, and we are still not ready to roll. Also, I do hand modeling here, so hello pretty hands. Today first we got done with the art scripts and that's what I made along with the mess. And then we had our lunch break and I just spent some time with these pretty flowers. After the break, we were shooting the remedies scripts and I had to get a rash on my hand with the help of makeup. So Makeup Dada is giving me fake rash and boils on my hand. Then again I had to get an injury on my hand for the another script and that took quite a lot of time to get done with. Meanwhile, I also had another round of tea. Post chai, we shot for all the food recipe scripts which were amazing. Yes, that's me making a paneer veggie roll and trying to be as perfect as possible. I really love working on the set. Everybody is super helpful on the set and also I get to learn a lot of new things about filming, directing, production as well as new recipes also. So this has helped me a lot with my YouTube videos and my filming style as well as how I shoot everything. And yes, it is a nice experience. So that's the paneer veggie roll that I made. Now we have break time and I'm just having some samosa, chole and bread butter with a mithai. Also I had some free time so I just clicked some pictures of these pretty flowers for my Instagram. And again had to shoot for more food recipe scripts. finished the shoot and my backup is done. So let's go home. Train was pretty empty today and I was just listening to songs on my way back home. Just got done with the shoot. I am in the train now and I'll be reaching home in some time. So I'll see you at home. So I got home like a while ago. I had my dinner, I had my milk, and now I'm about to sleep. And also a fun thing happened today. I posted on my WhatsApp status. So this is what I posted. Got a burn. About the makeup on my hand, and everybody got so scared that they thought I actually had got a burn, that everybody was calling me and I had to tell everybody that it's just makeup. And yeah, it was really funny for me for a lot of time. Like, I was laughing on the sets, but later I realized that everybody is so worried about me, so sorry to everyone. And yeah, but I really enjoyed pranking everyone about the burn on my hand. Also, that was just makeup, let me tell you guys. So yeah, I am very much fine, so don't worry. And yeah, keep watching my videos. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. So yeah, it's a good night from me. Bye.